Hello, Mr. Old Spice Dude. My name is Paul. I am an engineer and I am standing in my bathroom. You can tell that this actually is my bathroom due to the characteristic echo that accompanies my voice. I suspect that you are using digital green screen effects. But that's okay, I am down with the green screen. I am also down with the technique of attracting ladies with a pleasant smelling body wash of the brand that you promote. However, I would like to offer my own technique. Affectionate cuddling of kitties in close proximity to the camera. I lack a muscular physique. I have an excess of body hair. I speak in a monotone voice and display a typical engineer expressionless expression. Yet I have received numerous salutations from lonely cat ladies all over the world. Cat yodel time. Cat yodel success. Another cat yodel success. Cat yodel failure. This cat is too contented. Calculating. 2 successful cat yodels enter. 3 yodel attempts divide. 100 multiply. My assistant TJ will now double check my calculations. Our calculations agree. 66.67% cat yodel success. Stupid double chin.